How is everyone doing? Today, we're going to do a little video on this little miner here, the bonus miner, the trial miner. A lot of people don't seem to understand how it works and exactly what it is. So when you first create an account, even before you even purchase a miner, they give you a trial miner, which is this one. When you first get it, you're going to have some tasks to complete to then earn some more days of mining. As you can see, if you reinvest in GoMining, it'll add another day. If you upgrade the power, it'll add 2 days. Reinvest in power, it'll add a day. Upgrade your efficiency, it'll add a day. Hit the service button 10 days in a row, it'll add a day. This one is super easy to do, super easy. Now, this miner isn't going 24/7 because they're not just going to give you a 16 terahash at 20 watts terahash miner for free just for signing up. It doesn't make sense. A lot of people are like, I signed up and it didn't give me my Bitcoin. Yeah, did you buy a miner? Because why the hell would they just give you free Bitcoin if you're not going to do anything in return? That's kind of how it is. It does enough to where you'll be able to understand how it works, and it will mine for you, but it's not going to let you cash out that Bitcoin unless you actually purchase one. Because if so, I would just be making hundreds and hundreds of trial accounts each day, and I would have tens of thousands of terahash and bonus terahash, but that's not how it works. So if you actually want to get the Bitcoin that gets mined from these, purchase a Bitcoin miner. You can purchase them for literally as low as $27, because at 16 watts terahash, it's mining about 44 cents a Bitcoin a day. And I think it does it for about, it's either 1 week or 2 weeks that it gives you it. They're not just going to let you mine, divide this by 2, like $7 a Bitcoin. They're not just going to let you mine just under $7 a Bitcoin and give it to you for free, because then you can make 10 and then you get $70. No. That's not how it works at all. You need to purchase an actual miner to get it. So now that we kind of know that you need to purchase a miner to get the Bitcoin from this, they will have active challenges for you to do, to complete, to then get some more Bitcoin mining. And luckily right now, they're offering it. It just started this week. They have 2 more ones. First is to complete a Bitcoin and mining quiz. You earn a day. Complete a lesson and earn a day. They expire in 13 days. So hopefully by the time this video is uploaded and people are watching, these will still be out for people to do it. If not, it will be expired within 2 weeks of this video. These ones have already expired and we can already see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go through this and we're going to activate this miner. So we're going to click on this. We're going to go to the course and we're going to click start. And oh my God, it seems like there's quite a few lessons. So I'm not going to fully go into this right now and complete all these because as you can see, 15, 20, 18, 7, 6, 7, 8 minutes, 10 minutes. It's a bit of time I don't have, especially for a video, but it is all super straightforward. Start learning. It's going to bring you to the first one. Just go through all of them. You're going to go through all the lessons, actually learn it because it will help if you kind of watch it and learn what they are. The first one is to actually complete the quiz, which will be your last step on it. This one is to just complete any lesson, complete any of the 1 lessons in it, and you will get the free day. You can't really just scroll down and do this quiz. You actually have to watch the video. So it says watch the full video to unlock the survey. But if you're smart, just go here, click on the gear, times it by 2. It'll cut the time in half.
Welcome to the GoMining Academy. My name is Jeremy Dreyer. I'm the Chief Business Development Officer at GoMining, and I've been involved in Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining since 2017. Resilient financial plan. Stick with us. You're in the right place.
Alrighty, so we just finished the first video. I'm going to scroll down, and now it has the questions. Which statement applies to you? Select all. This is just to understand your background. No right or wrong answers. Perfect. I keep it as part of my I keep part of my savings in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. That I do. I follow the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I follow the price, which I do. I already know how it works. I know it's important to protect them, and I do know how. I am not confused on it. I already have. This is very true, so I'm going to click that. This is false because I always prefer to learn as much as I can about it. So I'm going to click check. Well done. You've completed the lesson. Was this helpful to you? You know what? We'll give it a thumbs up. Click next lesson. Now, because I sped through that video at ×2 speed, I think it was only like 3 minutes, not even, which means the first lesson should be done. So if I come back here, I'm going to reload this and look at that. I can claim this now. Claim an extra free day of mining. That's what I'm going to do. We're going to click claim. Boom. We've now added an extra 16 terahash. Look at that. We're at 231 now. It's mining for 1 day. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to finish the rest of those lessons and I'm going to get another day of Bitcoin mining out of this because that's what you're supposed to do. Hopefully this clears up any questions people have had about the bonus miner / trial miner and how it works. Yes, there are not going to be continuous challenges for you to do to keep this going. These are random. They randomly pop up. They're not going to have everyone just with a free 16 terahash miner. That wouldn't be feasible for them. So you just kind of have to be checking in, look at the active ones. There's a lot of non-active ones. I'm assuming a lot of you people will have this exact same ones because some people didn't invest, some people didn't upgrade, some people didn't reinvest, some people didn't upgrade the efficiency, and yada yada yada. But it's very easy to understand that if you want the Bitcoin that this mined during your free trial, you need to purchase a Bitcoin miner. Then, if you go into your wallet, your virtual wallet, that Bitcoin that has been stored here, you can then withdraw it. Of course, you'll have to complete KYC. And if you haven't signed up yet, well, guess what? We will have a referral link down in the description below that gets you an extra 5% bonus in terahash. You buy 100 terahash, you get 5 free. You buy 1,000 terahash, you get 50 for free. You buy 1 terahash, still worth it. You get 0.05 terahash for free. It's free, so take it. Don't complain about it and start mining Bitcoin today. Have a good one, everyone, and we'll see you soon.
I call it divine intervention. When I'm pulling up, you can already see the engine. Game so cold, might as well be a penguin going up.